Well, what do we have here? A new face. It looks like a little birdie took one hell of a wrong turn to wind up here.
Better scramble like an egg before you get folded like an omelet, nigga.
Tell me right now, or else I'll break every bone in your body.
Well, you! Run them hands up. Put your paws up, homie. Run them things. Yeah, all that. I'ma need that. Run that. Tiger. Breathe it out of. I'ma kill you. My leg. Rubberback. Assaulting. Nostrils, this seat. I'm gonna carve my name into your back. My organs hurt. In fact, I'd appreciate it if you called the hospital for me, actually.
Okay, I'll take anger management classes.